Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our master production schedule template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Let's get started. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template, some definitions of the key terms to be used in this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. And at the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. This template is a great tool to help you assess the final item production schedule of your production line by displaying the various amounts that you'd need to produce for each business period. To start, we head into the database sheet. Here, we input the company standards such as the product names, operating lines, their corresponding cycle times, their efficiency percentage, work hours per day, working hours per week, and minimum working days. Units per hour, units per day, units per week, and minimum lot size are given to you automatically. To add a new entry, just place new data at the bottom. We then move on to the customer orders sheet. It's here where we input our customer orders, record the date, product and quantity. After that, we're all set. Head over to the MPS sheet. Using the drop-down, input the product. The line, minimum lot size, and capacity per week will be given to you automatically. In the initial inventory column, input the projected amount of inventory that you'll be entering the period with. In the week rows, simply input your MPS in the yellow row. Be sure to note that your MPS should be greater than or equal to the minimum lot size. If you go below that, you'll get an error warning reminding you as such. In the operation rate sheet, you get a table which shows you the working capacities of each line per week, so you could quickly determine any over or underutilization that your production lines might encounter. Just input the machine number here and the table will be calculated based off of your MPS. You can set the parameters for the color coding over here on top. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets Advanced Templates and University is the best tool out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.